Instagram has dropped a new app called Threads that is a great alternative to Twitter. Want to learn more about it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about what the Threads app is and how it works. Now let's get started. Instagram Threads is a new app made by Instagram specifically for text-based posts. You use your existing Instagram account to log in and can easily follow all the same people you already follow on Instagram. Threads is quite similar to Twitter, offering a space to share text posts with a character limit of up to 500 and the ability to add photos or videos. You can also easily repost or quote someone's Threads post, similar to a retweet or quote tweet on Twitter. Threads profiles have a link to your connected Instagram profile so people can easily find you on both apps. If the name Threads sounds familiar, you may have used Instagram's old Threads app, which was specifically designed for messaging. They have since discontinued that app and now repurposed the name for their new Threads app for text-based posts. Given that people have mixed feelings about Twitter right now, it's great timing on Instagram's part to introduce this new alternative. The Threads app is fairly basic at the moment, but we're hoping to see them add more features in the future, such as a close friends option, hashtag capabilities, and an explore page with trending topics. Let us know what you think about the Threads app so far in the comments section below. To learn how to use the Threads app, check out our tutorial on how to use Threads next. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.